Today's video is going to be very unique because in today's video we are going to talk about 10 such words which have same spelling, same pronunciation but meanings will be different. Now you must be wondering how come it is possible. Let's look at certain examples. Close, close, fly, fly, lead, lead. Where spellings are same, pronunciation is same but meanings are completely different. Like this, I have 10 such words for you. Stay with me till the end of the video. You are going to enjoy this video. So once again, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, The English Universe. Without further delay, let's start with the first example. First example is here. Fly, fly. Let's understand the meaning. First fly means move in air. Second fly means living me. Understand it better by pictures. The bird is flying in the sky. I do not want to eat this sweet because a fly landed on it. Second example, face, face. First face, physical appearance. Second face, how to handle. Let's understand it better by examples. Look at my face, it has a few moles now. I can face any problem because I am too strong. Third example, close, close. To shut down, near. Please close the gate. The runner was close to the finish line. And fourth one, lead, lead. To guide, chemical element. He will lead the team in the next project. This pencil is made up of lead. Fifth, object, object. Physical thing, disagreement. There are some objects in my bag. She expressed his objection to the proposed plan. You must have heard objection, my lord, in courtroom. Sixth one, right, right. Correct, opposite of left. I have taken the right decision in my life. Please turn right from that street and follow the road. 7. Mean, mean. Meaning or signify unkind. What do you mean by that? When we want to ask something, we can say, what do you mean by that? Rohit was always mean to his neighbor, means unkind. 8th, saw, saw. Past tense of see, tool for cutting. I saw him dancing on road. My uncle used the saw to cut the tree. 9th, fine, fine. Good, penalty. This phone is fine for me. She has to pay fine for crossing the red light. And the last one, 10th. Present, present. Opposite of absent, gift. It has a slight change in pronunciation. First, we need to stress on first PRE, first part. Present. Second, present. Present. I am present, ma'am. I have purchased a beautiful present for my best friend. How many words you already knew? Please comment that number in comment box. And if you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care people.